Uber, Lyft, and other companies like that are becoming very popular these days. And unfortunately, through fault or no fault of their own, they're involved in accidents. If you're involved in an accident with an Uber car, for example, whether you're in the car or not in the car, you're protected to up to at least $100,000 in coverage that the Uber vehicle has to carry, as is considered a professional vehicle or professional driver in New York, which is the same coverage that a taxi would have to have. The problem is that if your injuries are more serious and that $100,000 is not sufficient, what can you do to receive additional compensation? Uber traditionally has taken the position that its drivers are independent contractors. So if they commit some negligence which leads to an accident, Uber feels they're not responsible and they fight that. However, if the driver is distracted using the Uber application or responding to Uber or something which diverts his attention from driving his vehicle properly, then there's a viable theory against Uber or against Lyft or any of these types of services to proceed with the claim. Of course, you can always use your uninsured or underinsured coverage if you have sufficient limits to try to make up the difference. And this is an area of law, especially with respect to liability on Uber itself, not the driver, which is constantly changing. So if you're involved in an accident involving an Uber or a Lyft type vehicle, make sure you speak to an attorney as quickly as you can.